Game Dev Journey. Wojak has used Godot 4 to create a truly stunning forest scene, which is full of detail and life, and is something we've become more accustomed to seeing in Unreal Engine, if I'm honest. This is the kind of demo which could be used to market Godot as a powerful and capable game engine which is able to compete with the commercial ones. More importantly though, Wojak goes on to explain how he put the scene together, and he explains it so that you're able to put it together yourself if you want to. Wojak is a talented Godot developer, and I strongly suggest that you head over and subscribe so that you don't miss his next video. Slick Games is the channel of Brian, a professional software developer by day and aspiring game dev by whenever he gets a chance. Having been inspired by so many other indie and hobby devs on YouTube, he's decided to throw his hat in the ring and give back to the community as well. At the moment he's busy making a Metroidvania, and in his latest video he details how he uses LDTK, the level design toolkit made by the developer of Dead Cells, to plug in to Godot. Please go and watch and subscribe to support Brian. Breakfast is a game dev in training inspired by games like Earthbound, Pikmin and Pokemon. Currently he has set himself the goal of making a game a week. For each game he makes a video detailing the process of making it. He covers a wide variety of games in a highly entertaining way. The one which I really appreciated was the remaking of some of the hyper-casual games from the Flash era of Club Penguin. Of course, he uses the Godot engine, so you can learn a lot here. Please visit, like and subscribe to Breakfast. Wotan Studios is a channel about everything 2D, 3D, including artwork, modeling and animation, music creation, and game development with Godot. Currently, Wotan is busy putting together a template in Godot 4 for an FPS game. The process of creating this template and updates to what it can do and what it will be able to do is all documented on his channel. This looks like a handy resource for those who want to quickly create an FPS game in Godot, and I like the way that it's shaping up. If you want to learn more, then please head over there and subscribe to Wotan now. AO's gaming channel is less about gaming and more about game development, using the Godot engine, of course. In his latest tutorial, AO explains how to make a difficulty setting system in Godot. However, you will find a rich collection of different videos of how-tos for Godot, such as creating a motion blur effect, a color select system, damage overlays, toon shaders and much more. This really is an underappreciated channel, and you should check it out and subscribe to AO to support and encourage him. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining me, and I do hope to see you all again next time.